Welcome back. There are certain days during the hot summer months when we just invite a guest who we know will bring food. Because, oh no, that's not what it says. It says there are certain times during the hot summer months when the last place anyone wants to be is in a hot kitchen. So our good friend, Chef Martin, who always brings food, joins us this morning with a recipe that doesn't suck. And it doesn't mean you have to sit in the oven-heated kitchen. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Always good to see you. We're so glad to have you back.
You know, that is the thing, that right now, last thing anybody wants to do is be in the hot kitchen, right? So,
well, and sometimes you don't even want to eat hot food.
Exactly.
Right.
And right now, you go to the store and have all these berries and strawberries, blueberries, and so this is the time to do this kind of stuff.
The aromas that are coming off of this are so refreshing.
Key lime
is
the key.
Because of the key lime.
Is the key. But you know what we're going to be doing? We're going to be doing some parfaits. Really easy to do. Let me tell you about the ingredients first, all right? We're going to be doing cream cheese. You're going to use 2 little bars, the ones you just buy in the store, and then 1 can of condensed milk.
All right.
Buy good quality products, because that's important too.
Can you tell it's good quality when it doesn't have a label on it?
Well, I'm just saying it really depends on what kind of brand you use, but I'm not about that. Then the next thing is going to be lime
That's
juice.
fresh lime juice. I saw him
juice.
Squeezing it.
Yeah, I just did it this morning.
Yep.
Make sure you use fresh squeeze.
Okay.
It's going to take about 1.5 to 2 limes.
Okay.
And then a little bit of vanilla. You're going to mix that into your mixer to cream the cheese. Slowly, you're going to start incorporating your condensed milk.
Okay.
And then you're going to add your flavors to it.
Right.
What you're going to end up with is going to be something like this.
Love those.
Easy, right? Then what you're going to do is start assembling your parfaits.
All right.
Now, another ingredients that you're going to need, obviously, are going to be your berries, or you can use fruit as well. Just little chunks of pineapple,
Berries are fruit,
mango,
aren't
right, or even chocolate chips.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So what we're going to do is we're going to assemble a couple of those. You can go really fancy like that, or
we're going to need 5.
yeah, actually, let's do. You want to do 8?
Sure, absolutely. Nobody's arguing with you.
And then what we're going to do is a good quality cereal,
Like
or
a granola kind of thing?
or something like that. Yeah. So start
Almost like a trail mix, huh?
Start filling those little mixes in there.
Well, I got to do it.
And yeah, because you're going to help me. Remember, we agreed to that.
Okay.
And then,
sorry, I didn't. Get this
and then
in
I'm
here.
just gonna.
Wait.
Right, I'm just gonna
Hang
fill
on.
them
Am I
out.
supposed to do it on top of that?
Just do them, fill them in there. We're gonna run out of
You're
time,
moving
man.
so fast.
Come on, and fill them in. And then, perfect. That's perfect. You want chocolate in there too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. And chocolates for everybody. Everybody gets
Now
chocolate. I know everybody likes chocolate
before
right
the
here.
berries.
Yeah, you can put berries in there.
Now?
Yeah,
Okay.
throw them in there. Don't be shy.
I'm not shy.
I know. Yeah, no, yeah,
I'm
you
just
are.
really not good at this.
Okay,
Apparently.
then we're going to put a little fill more.
Okay.
There
Right, so you
go.
did the little layers of it.
Little layers, and then raspberries.
Raspberries, why not?
Raspberries.
Actually, good for you. Any
Everybody-
bright fruit, we hear about fruits and vegetables. Anything with a bright color is good.
Then Kimberly is gonna, the entire staff and crew is gonna have blackberries
Well, not
and
the entire
berries.
staff. If you say that, people will come down from upstairs. We don't want that.
That's
We
true
don't want
too.
those people down here.
All right.
All right, some more of
And then
this?
blueberry, yeah. And then you're gonna make them pretty. And what you do is you're gonna wrap them up with plastic.
Where are you
going? You notice that? I know. We start get visitors in the kitchen. And then you're gonna get a little bit of the mint.
What are you laughing at?
I don't-
I'm running out of the stuff.
Laura is having a good time with us here today. She's going to join us in the kitchen here in just a minute.
All right.
I know we always do. But anyway, this is all you do. You put them in the fridge and they're ready to go. Easy to eat, simple to assemble, have fun in the kitchen, and they
And you
are
can do them
absolutely
in
delicious.
whatever vessel you so choose,
Yes.
and it's very aesthetically pleasing.
And you
as
can
well.
make them fun for the kids that they can do them
You
at
can make
home.
them funk?
Fun.
Oh, fun. Oh,
F-U-N.
okay,
Fun.
got it.
And then you can do them fancy just like that. They're good?
Just tart enough. That's perfect.
Yeah.
That is perfect.
And the crunchiness of the granola is going to be awesome.
I didn't even get to that part yet. Thank you, Chef Martin.
You're welcome.
We're going to post this recipe, or a copy of it, at KMOV.com/greatday following the show. This is healthy stuff, too, all right?
And you can make it the night before, and the kids can grab it on their way out the door.
Yep,
Good
take them to
stuff.
school, too.
Yeah, absolutely. Guys, thank you. Very well done.